In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to WordPress, focusing specifically on setting up a pop-up form. This process can help you easily capture email addresses and grow your mailing list, ensuring that your visitors receive updates, newsletters, or any promotional content you wish to share. To start this simple yet effective integration, you'll need to have both a WordPress site and a Mailchimp account ready and set up. First, let's begin by installing the necessary plugins on your WordPress site. The plugin you need for this tutorial is a form builder that supports Mailchimp integration, such as WP Forms or Ninja Forms. You can find these by navigating to your WordPress admin dashboard, then heading to the plugin section. Click on Add New, and in the search bar, type the plugin name. Once you find it, click Install Now, and don't forget to activate it once the installation is complete. These plugins allow you to create custom forms that can integrate with Mailchimp seamlessly. Alright, now we need to connect Mailchimp to your WordPress site, and for that, we'll obtain an API key from your Mailchimp account. From Mailchimp, go to your account settings. Under the Extra section, you'll find the API keys option. Click on it, and you might see a list of API keys if you've created others before, or there may be an option to generate a new key. Once you have your API key, keep it handy for the next step. Return to your WordPress dashboard and go to the form plugin you just installed. You'll need to find the integration option within its settings. This is typically located somewhere within a settings or integration menu. Here, you'll find an option to connect to Mailchimp, where you'll be prompted to enter the API key you obtained. Carefully copy and paste your API key into the field provided and save the changes. This effectively links your WordPress forms with your Mailchimp account. Lastly, we want to ensure this integration is enabled in the form settings. Go to the form you've created or want to use for your pop-up. Within the form editor, find the Marketing or Integrations tab depending on your plugin. Look for the Mailchimp integration option and enable it if it's not already turned on. Here you might also need to select the relevant Mailchimp list where you want the collected emails to be added. Make sure all your settings are saved and you've configured the form fields to capture the information you need, such as name and email address. And there you have it! You've successfully connected Mailchimp to your WordPress website and set up a pop-up form to capture email subscribers. This setup not only enhances your site's functionality, but also allows you to engage more effectively with your audience. Be sure to test the form to confirm everything's working smoothly and tweak the design to match your website's aesthetics for a seamless visitor experience. Enjoy growing your email list.